Welcome back, friends. Check it out. Nissan Altima SL Edition with a premium package and technology package. This is a 2015 one-owner unit, clean body, clean interior. Runs the tops. I drove it in from Columbus. It drives 110%. Gets fantastic gas mileage. Blind spot monitor, laser guided cruise, lane descent, heated powered leather, sunroof, backup cam, Bose premium sound, leather wrapped wheel, heated steering wheel. It's got everything. Great car, great reliability, lots of eyeball. Guaranteed credit approval. These start at $995 down. 2015 Altima SL loaded up, $995 starting down. 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract over the drive line. 5-star Google reviews. The way to go. GasCleveland.com.